And we are live. Welcome to Crypto Talk Now. Welcome to the big show. Welcome to your show. Welcome to the Max and Larry show. Max, how are you doing this evening?
I'm doing great. I feel a lot better compared to this morning. I know I was talking to Michael Cornwell. I had some stomach problems and so on. It's been all sorted out since then. I feel fired up, rejuvenated, and ready to talk about some great topics in the world of crypto. So back to you, Larry.
Great. And before we get started, I just want to make a public service announcement. I just would like to say that Facebook, the whole Facebook platform is horrible. And that's probably why they changed their name to Meta, because their reputation is garbage. I think that is the reason why we were hung up here, because we were still connected to that platform. They shut us down on Facebook because they're scared of the truth. For whatever reason, they don't like us talking about crypto, but I think that was what was causing the delay. So I apologize for that, because I was drifting, and hopefully we got it sorted out. It sounds better. So welcome to Michael Cornwell. He says, woohoo, I win nothing. You're number one. Yes, you've won absolutely nothing. But actually, we just, before the show, I was looking and I discovered on my own that there actually is a way to run giveaways through StreamYard. So that's pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. I haven't shared it with Max yet, but you know what? Let's tip our caps to Max, because Max, I believe, did you make 8 or 9 videos, Max? I can't remember. We just uploaded a bunch.
I don't know. Sometimes I can't keep up with it. Something like that, man. Something like that. Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you to Max anyway. Whatever it was, 8 or 9 videos. The last video, they're all uploaded. It took me a while to get them all sorted out and uploaded today. Put in the description, all that kind of stuff, and basically scheduling them. The last one is going off a little after midnight tonight, so there'll be some more coming in. So guys, make sure you check it out.
I do want to make a quick announcement in regards to the videos. So guys, just giving you a heads up, the videos are going to be at least 5 minutes or shorter, are all going to be on Crypto Talk Now right here. Any videos I do that have the more in-depth analysis, like an actual full review or anything like that, more than 5 minutes, obviously, or anything I feel as though needs to be a lot longer, will be on Maximus Crypto. So just give you guys a heads up in that regard. And of course, ones I covered in the past, Metopolis, Clearpool, and whatnot, will still be on Maximus Crypto. I haven't done any of those particular videos in a while, but I will get back to doing that whole routine. That way it's a little bit of some content for both on each channel. So that's just a heads up on that.
For that, Max, we're sorting out one more issue here. We're bringing Patches in soon here. We had to send him the link to his tablet, and we're getting him straightened out. So thank you so much for that, Max. My point is that Max has been working hard. I've been working hard all day on getting his videos up. So we are appreciating our community here. Again, I've lost the rock. I think I threw it across the room. No, here it is. Ashley, thank you so much. I was going to throw it across the room, but I realized I need it. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for you guys. I will go ahead and recognize the rest of the comments, and we'll jump in. We have so much to talk about, guys. We have to talk about Bone and so many different things. But we will say hello first to Edward Vincent. Welcome back, Edward Vincent. He says, whoop, whoop, enchilada time.
Thank you. That sounds good, yes.
I almost went to the Mexican restaurant today, but I went again because I'm a creature of habit back to the Japanese place, but I'm getting kind of sick of it. Maximus Crypto, he's a co-host right here. Hi, guys. We are going to have, okay, that was about the delay. Ricky was waiting for people. Maximus, I know it's an issue. Okay, we apologize for his delay. Yes, Max was covering for us because we were delayed. Michael Cornwell, all good. I'm eating at a restaurant and I don't have good service. Okay, well, hopefully you can hear us better now and you have better service. Crypto Winter, Max, good to see you.
Hey, good to see all you guys. Thank you.
Ricky says, I was watching a video about the guy saying to all the naysayers, Luna Classic is possible for a penny, now 10 cents. Maybe not, but not possible. Ricky, I've been working hard all day watching the first 48 marathon. Legrand Commission, XRP is pumping. Is it? Let's see.
Yeah, let's take a look at
XRP. Let's go into my favorites because that's definitely one I'm looking at really closely along with Matic. XRP is up 4.9% in the last 24 hours. Welcome to everyone that's joining us. We're so grateful for you guys. You are watching the big show, your show, Max and Larry show on Crypto Talk Now live. We have R.A. Calm. Welcome back. He says, hey, guys. So We have to
Welcome
talk
back.
about a lot of things, Max. Sorry about that. You were saying hello to what were you
No,
saying?
sorry. I was just saying, welcome back. That's all.
Yeah, welcome back. So tell us what you've we both know that gas for Shibarium is going to be in the form of bone. So that's the big story. So where did you hear? Was it from Watcher Guru about the chance right here for bone to be listed on Binance? How about that? That's big news.
It is big news, and yes, it did come straight from Watcher Guru. I think this is significant in the regard that we should pay attention to the activity or the domino effect, if you will, having your ducks in a row when it comes to bone. And the reason for that is I look at history and I see history repeating itself, but in a good way. And for instance, last time around when Shiba Inu got that actual Binance listing, as far as like the actual prices and so on, it wasn't available to be traded on Binance yet. But now you're starting to see Bone follow the same model as last year. And to me, this is very exciting because it tells you that it's caught the attention, of course, of Binance because they realize the significance behind it. The way I personally look at it is, you know, again, it's kind of like that domino effect and so on. Last year, it was the price listing, and then soon after that, I think it was like roughly about a month or two, you did see the actual trading Shiba Inu being available to be traded. So that's what caught my eye. I still feel as though that I need to get, of course, a bag of bone. I haven't gotten it yet. Some people may be wondering, well, what are you waiting for? I'm waiting for my money to stretch a little bit further to be able to pick up just a little bit more in that regard of bone. So back to you, Larry.
Yeah, thanks for that, Max. This is big news. Many people know that are familiar with this catalyst, this type of exchange listing. There's kind of a Binance or a crypto.com effect. When these bigger exchanges start listing these type of things, there definitely causes a pump. I would just tell everyone, just be careful because Binance, again, has a policy where they're the only ones that they can actually announce. They want to be able to announce it first. So you'll never hear you'll hear speculation from Shiba Inu, but I think they're smart enough, the devs are, to not announce that because they know that will disqualify them from having Bone listed on there. But yeah, this is big, big news. I hope it's true for so many people. I do not have not one token of Bone yet because I'm still just waiting because I don't believe we're at the bottom for the overall market yet. But we could be, we're definitely closer to the bottom than the top. And just nobody knows, as we always say. So yes, Shiba Inu maybe a penny in the long term. It would take a ton of burning, a ton, maybe 20 years from now or something like that, 25 years from now, unless there's like some unbelievable burns taking place. But I don't see that right now at all. It's just the market cap would just be huge, bigger than the overall crypto market cap.
Well,
Crypto
yeah, the other thing I want to point out is, last year when they basically first listed Shiba Inu as just that, a listing and not available to have trading, it took roughly about a month or so. I can't remember, maybe a month and a half. And then you saw the trading actually happen. And then, believe it or not, I think it was like roughly maybe February, something like that. Don't quote me on that. But what we do know is not that long after, like, what was it, maybe a couple months, something like that, you saw Shiba Inu hit its first all-time highs back in May of 2021. And again, I just feel as though that this could be a repeat of that domino effect. If anything, it is significant in that regard. And then on top of that, you're talking about, for instance, these burns that are happening and whatnot, and 20 years of burning and so on. The way I personally feel about it is you're literally seeing burning happen almost daily. I cover it basically in today's recorded video. I address some of that. And burns are going to keep happening. You're going to see more hype, of course, with Shiba Inu. I know we're on the topic of Bone, where I get a little bit more excited about the burning with Bone compared to Shiba Inu. Look at the circulating supply right there. It's a lot less compared to, obviously, Shiba Inu. You have the max supply at 250 million. You have the circulating supply at 6,975,299. And yeah, I get it. We're going to have an extra 20 million bone that is going to be added to the max supply. But listen here, that actually makes sense because that is kind of like a reserve that's going to be used for the metaverse and so on. So at the end of the day, whenever you create scarcity, it means more demand for the particular token. And I think there's going to be a lot of demand for bone. So back to you, Larry.
Yeah, I agree. Maybe this, maybe Bone is this year's Shiba Inu. Maybe by the fall, if the whole market doesn't crash, maybe we'll be talking about Bone in October like we did Shiba Inu. So we'll have to wait and see. I definitely think that there's more optimism surrounding Bone right now than Shiba Inu itself as part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. But we'll have to wait and see. So yeah, I do agree. Tim, I'm sorry, I missed this one here. Okay, Crypto Winter, of course. He said off, but I think he means, of course. What did I say, Larry? When Bitcoin is pumping, XRP starts to pump. When Bitcoin dumps, XRP goes screaming to the floor. I haven't been watching the correlation between those two too closely, but I'll take your word for it. RLCom, XRP, future 2 top coin market cap crypto. Well, right now it's number 7, so it doesn't have too far to go. But yeah, we feel strongly about XRP because of the technology that's surrounding it. Tim Shea says, hey guys, welcome back to Tim Shea. Legrand Commission. You want to say that one? Welcome to Legrand Commission, Max?
Well, of course, maybe you guys didn't hear me say so. Welcome Tim, welcome everybody, welcome Legrand Commission. Yes, XRP is pumping for real. I am super excited about XRP. I know Mr. Michael Cornwell is just beyond excited. I cannot blame him.
Oh wow.
Yeah, well,
it just jumped up even more. It's just, I think it was up only like 4% when we first started the show. Now it's up, really moving today, 9.5%. We can look at the chart for it. You're right. You guys are right. You guys are right on top of it. We'll pull up the chart, KuCoin. So yeah, so let's go.
Can I give you guys a quick gist of it real quick, Larry?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna give you
look at that.
Quick gist of it is this. Yeah, that looks not too bad.
15-minute. Yep.
So the way I look at it is, if you've been studying or researching, whatever you want to call it, the history behind Swift and why Swift stands out in the world and so on, the way I look at it is that is the old model. There's going to be, as you guys know, there's change. It's a thing that's just we can't escape from is basically change. I learned some sad news that my favorite Chinese restaurant from when I was a kid, Canton Grill in Portland, Oregon, closed down because of the pandemic and so on. Oop, I'm not supposed to say the word, but anyway, my point is there's always going to be change. And with that said, XRP is going to be the change. It's going to be basically the new Swift, but way, way faster. Transactions done basically in 3 seconds compared to waiting like 30 minutes. It's an absolute game changer. And I think we all should try to get a bag of this. I obviously can't tell you that officially. I know I come backtracking on that. Like I said, not financial advice, but that's how I'm personally going to do it. XRP stands at the top of my short list of cryptos that I have to have in my portfolio moving further into the foreseeable future. We're talking about literally within months, not years. I need to accumulate or dollar cost average, I should say, between now and especially March. Some people have stated that the whole thing with the SEC might actually end in a shorter period compared to March. I know about that. I get it and so on. But at the end of the day, I still got to get that bag. So I'm still going to wait for this thing to drop a little bit more. I know it went up, and it's nice to see that, but I still feel the overall market is going to tank a little bit and so on. But yes, I got to get a bag. I got dollar cost average, more than just one bag in regards to XRP. It stands out right now as my number one pick of crypto assets I have to have. Back to you, Larry.
We're right on the same wavelength. I can see your eyes. You can see mine. We're like 100% agreement on that. I'm just waiting. I feel so strongly about XRP. What's that? 13? Oh, now he's saying it's up 13%. Yeah, let's look at that. 14. Wow, it really is moving right now. It's actually up 14 in the last 24 hours. Yeah, we do.
And that's
feel
the whole
strongly.
thing. Yeah, that's the whole thing with XRP. Like we mentioned before, you know, at any moment's notice, the thing could go to like $10. Some people are saying that, oh no, that's going to happen in like 4 years and so on. You never know when
Right.
it comes to crypto. You never know if it's
Never
able
know.
to move this fast during this bearish time. Can you imagine when the bulls are out?
Right. Yeah, I hope it falls back down. I still haven't bought any yet, so I'm just waiting. But I'm glad everybody out there making money with XRP now. I'm happy if you are. Crypto Winter once again to CZ. Oh, I guess he's giving him flowers for sticking to his vision in Bitcoin and not folded like Voyeur. Yes, I have some news about Voyeur. Exchange. I'll share with you guys later. Terra Celsius, yeah, Celsius, BNB never bought or laid anyone off in this unstable times of market. Well, sometimes, you know, you have to run a business and you have to unfortunately lay people off, but that's great that he has it for the families involved.
Guys, real quick, you know, we have over 110 people watching, and I do see this continuing to spike, and we are thankful for that. The only problem is with 110 plus people watching, we only have 12 likes. I don't know what's going on with that. Please hit that like button before we can get our live stream out to more people, because the algorithm kicks in, basically, is the bottom line. We appreciate all those who have currently hit the like. But by all means, if you're new to our show and just coming in, you're live with the Max and Larry show for Crypto Talk Now. We are talking about the hot topic of this XRP pump. Is it a quick pump, or are we going to continue to see this? So that's what we're talking about at the moment. And we'd like to welcome all of you to Crypto Talk Now, the Max and Larry show. Thank you.
Thank you. And Max, you can see Patches is wore out. He's been doing technical analysis all day. And right now he's taking another nap. So thank you for that.
On. You're welcome.
And thank you. For Crypto Winter, XRP is playing follow the leader with Bitcoin. So I'm shorting XRP every time Bitcoin starts to drop. Dropping gems on you guys. Thank you for that. I guess you're a day trader, Crypto Winter. Crypto Winter, I also told you guys this week was the week to go back. I timestamped the show. Oh, okay. All right. Thank you for that. Crypto Winter, Bitcoin. Yes. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. See that? Every time somebody mentions Bitcoin on the show, what do we do, Max?
You bring out BitBoy.
We bring on BitBoy Crypto.
We don't bring up BitBoy Crypto. We bring up
BitBoy, you know, Crypto is backstage waiting to come on.
You guys know what I meant.
We bring on Bitcoin. Yes. We got the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin is up. Look at that. It's over 21,000. It's up 3.5% in the last 24 hours. So it's making its move, Max. We said, both of us, you know, you agree with me, right? They could go to 23 and 24,000. And then I said it would probably be a sharp drop from there. But let's see what happens.
And of course, there's always going to be that one guy that's going to say something like, yeah, you see, guys, you guys are losing out. You know, you thought rock bottom was 12K. Now you guys are going to pay for it. No, well,
you're going to pay.
We're going to pay, but it's probably going to still drop it, you know, within a matter of time, like a week or so.
I think so,
don't believe,
yeah.
I don't believe we're out of the woods yet, is all I'm trying to say.
Nope. Especially if the Fed in the U.S. raises interest rates again next month. We'll have to wait and see. I don't think we're completely out of the woods with the economy and everything. So Legrand Commission, now XLM is following XRP. Yes, I was saying earlier, I'm paying a close attention to XLM as well. Look at that. XLM is on the move as well. They're all on the move. Look at my favorites. Everything is on the move except for AMP and Luna Classic. AMP and Luna Classic.
I don't know. You ever guys kind of wonder about why there's so much demand for XRP and XLM at the moment? Could it have to do with the overall world economy, not the U.S., just the U.S. economy? I think so. You know, you look at, it's the technology behind it. And, you know, what are these two cryptos basically? They're ones in which do a very good job of getting people, you know, the money they need. And as we know, what has broke down in the world, the supply chain. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, people do need to get paid for goods and services and et cetera, et cetera. And like, for instance, XRP stands out. They're always, of course, competing closely with XLM, but they both stand out in the regard, like I've mentioned before, and that is, for instance, like XLM is the Western Union of crypto.
I was just going to mention, you said that, yes.
Yeah, and XRP is literally the Swift of crypto. So there's a lot of demand for that in this world that, you know, that basically needs a more efficient way of sending money. So that's what
Yep.
grabs my attention.
Yeah, thanks for that, Max. Mr. Max P bought XRP at 17 cents. Wow, good for you. 65 cents and $1. It's still undervalued. Yeah, I agree. Welcome back, Ricky, to the comments. Says, hello, crypto winter. Don't FOMO to the top. Yes, good advice.
Right. As we're talking about this, right? People are seeing, oh my gosh, XRP is finally doing the pump. I need to get in. Why? Why do you need to rush in now?
Ricky says,
Take a breath, right? Take a breath, step back, realize, collect your thoughts. You can get it for a little bit cheaper.
Ricky says, why am I being put on timeouts by the moderator? I didn't do anything. I don't know. Maybe something going on with YouTube. I don't think anyone's putting you in timeout. Tim Shea, have you guys ever checked out Bit Token? I heard it's big in Dubai. Bit Token. Have you heard of that one, Max?
Sorry about that. I was on a different screen. Nope, I have not heard of that.
No,
I have to look into that.
I haven't either. We'll have to look into that one. Before we do that, let's take a look. I have some news to share with everyone. Just some quick headlines here. This is interesting. Bitmark. Remember they had that hack last year, Max, in July?
Yep, that was a big thing. And they also had another one at the end of the year.
Yeah, Bitmark wins arbitration award over July 2021 hack. The owner operator of crypto exchange Bitmark has won an arbitration award over July 2021 hack. May 2nd award of arbitrator cited. Notice cited with GBM Global Holding Company Limited, the parent company of Bitmark, in an attempt to reclaim funds stolen in the attack of the Bitcoin Satoshi Vision BSV blockchain. So, all right, well, that's just a quick little note there. Harmony. There was something else I wanted to show you guys. Not this one. Oh, look at that. Bitcoin targets 23K. That's funny. They agree with me. And Max, future of money. Where was it? Crypto. Oh, yeah, here it is. This is the dangerous thing right here I wanted to pass on to everybody. This was kind of what I was alluding to the other day, where you have to be careful with these exchanges. And I'm a little bit worried, or not really worried, but concerned. If it gets really bad, maybe it would cross over to crypto.com. I hope not, because Crow is my big one for centralized exchanges, Crowcoin or Kronos. But right now, this is important to look at. Crypto broker Voyager Digital lowers daily withdrawal limits to 10,000. This is kind of like, starting like Celsius all over again, where now it's totally restricted. Crypto broker Voyager Digital Ltd has lowered its daily withdrawal limits to 10,000 from 25,000, according to an update on the company's website. Any thoughts on this, Max? Is this going to be a trend in this bear market with all of the different centralized exchanges? Are they all going to start to limit withdrawals?
I don't think all of them are going to, but I think it's the mid-tier centralized exchanges will. What do I mean by mid-tier? Well, let's face it, Voyager is not as huge as like the crypto.com. There was a point basically like last year, right? Early 2021, where Voyager was bigger than crypto.com as far as, trading and volume and whatnot. But let's face it, at the end of the day, they are considered mid-tier, just like Gemini is considered like a mid-tier. So
Right.
I think the ones that are mid-tier centralized exchanges, you're going to see this pattern going on. And you may agree with it, you may disagree with it, but at the end of the day, it's to kind of protect themselves. There's a crazy time that we're living in right now with the whole crypto winter. They want to protect themselves from, losing like all the liquidity. People could rush in if they see like indicators, if you will, with the analytics data, basically showing them that, look at all of these sell orders, if you will. People trying to just dump their whole position, and they're converting it to fiat. We have got to do something drastic. I don't think that this is going to be something that's just, this one exchange is doing, like Celsius, for instance. No, you're going to see more and more of them doing it. I get it with Celsius, of course, they're halting, but my point is, you're going to see more of these mid-tier centralized exchanges doing these type of things.
Yeah, thanks for that, Max. I agree with what you're saying. I think they have to slow things down so they don't collapse. Unfortunately, there could be like a bank run scenario on some of these centralized exchanges. They have to be careful to slow the withdrawals down. The comments are going weird here. Okay, crypto winner. No, please check out Bitcoin. Mom's token. He's saying that Bitcoin is so old that mom is invested in Bitcoin. So I guess we've got to go back and look at the chart. So here we are 21,132. It's making its move up a little bit. Crypto Winter says, Metis, Mr. Maui, welcome back. What's up, fellows? Good evening.
Good evening to you too.
What do you think of the push? What do you think of the push? Is this temporary, Max, or do we already see the bottom?
We have not seen the bottom. That's just how I personally feel about it. You know, at the end of the day, I could be wrong, and I get it. I'm not trying to say that I'm a Mr. Fortune Teller. Never would. Neither would Larry. But at the end of the day, you're going to see these type of things move up. And for all I know, I mean, maybe it's permanent. Maybe we're out of the woods. I honestly don't think so. I just think that this is like something that's going to be a day or two. That's probably not what you want to hear, Mr. Bowie. But that's just how I personally feel about it. I don't think we're there yet.
All right. Thank you. Mahep. Here's somebody new. I'm probably saying your name wrong. Mehemet Ergun. Any news on Bone? Yes, we just covered Bone. The possibility of them being listed on Binance was the big news we covered. You guys can go back and watch the beginning of the show if you want, but welcome. Haven't seen you here before. Consider changing your avatar from an M to something that speaks of who you are as a person so we can get to know you better because we care about you being here. The Jin, everyone, how are y'all doing tonight? Larry, Max, and awesome Patches. How are y'all doing tonight? Did Patches get his treat? Patches, did you get your treat? Patches. Come here, Patches.
Patches apparently got some kind of treat that knocked him out big time.
Yeah, he had a bunch of food, so he's just relaxing. He just does not like to get up. His eyes, he's giving me the evil eye with one eye saying, please don't bother me. I'm relaxing.
Right.
So that's what's going on there. But yes, Crypto Winter. Guys, Gemini is a top dog. That's where I have my money. I think Gemini is based in New York, so they're playing by the rules. I could be wrong. I think they're based in New York, so they might come out on top because, let's face it, New York probably has the strictest rules in the country for the
guys,
US. So.
Don't take the wrong way what I'm saying and so on. Like, I mean, the way I look at it when it comes to like top tier exchanges, let's just be honest with each other. Like, you know, the Binances, the one I'm not a fan of, Coinbase, right? Like things like that is basically what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, I already had the chart on the 4-hour chart right now for Bitcoin. I'm not going to keep it up the whole time. But there you are. Crypto Winter was already at 4 hours right now. This is what it looks like. So thanks for that. Mr. Maui, I'm pushing really hard to get a crypto up. Okay. Hold to the drop. Welcome back, Edward Vincent. He has a famous portrait of a famous person that I don't know who it is, but apparently it looks similar to him. So that's pretty cool. So thank you for that. Mr. Maui, I called it. It's not going to go down. Stop saying that.
You may be right. Like, again, you know, it's not of who's right and who's wrong or anything like that. It's just, you know, we all have our own personal opinions.
No, wait a minute. No, wait. Don't do that to me. Stop it. No, you don't. I'm not going to FOMO in. Don't do that. Stop saying that because I didn't get a chance to buy in like I wanted to. Don't tell me don't tell me that Bitcoin's not going down. It has to go down to 12,000. Everything has to crash in a ball of flames so I can scoop in there and buy it. That's what I've been planning for over a month. Don't tell me I missed it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to FOMO in, and neither is Max. We'll just have to wait for another 3 years. Okay.
No, there's other opportunities, you know. But
Yeah.
you know, it's those who have some saved right now who are recognizing all these buying opportunities, whether it is Bitcoin or ETH or, you know, heck, Harmony One. Shoot, I forgot to check Harmony One to see if it was listed close to a penny. I'm sure it went back up a little bit. I'm actually going to look into it because you know what? I did want to scoop some of that up. I do feel as though that was a buy. Yeah, it's currently at a little above 2 cents. I'm still going to be greedy. I'm going to wait for a penny, but there's just so many different ones, man. And narrowing it down to, like, you know, these are the solid ones. Obviously, for me, it's XRP all the way. I already have a decent bag of XLM. Probably going to get a second bag. But again, I'm just waiting for certain prices to come up, certain target levels, if you will, to scoop some of this up.
I did good last year with Harmony. I think I sold it like 28 or 29 cents. I scooped up a bunch. That was one of the ones I did good on, so I'm happy. Yeah, I'd like to get Boy, if it goes down to a penny, I'd love to get some more of
But
that.
Harmony never
Yeah.
gets enough good press, in my
No, it
opinion.
doesn't.
But yeah, I mean, but if they have a huge spike, like this, for instance, we get this at a penny or under, and they have a decent run, then yeah, it's going to be on everybody's radar. And then of course FOMO will kick in, will kick it up even that much higher. But yeah, it just doesn't get enough press.
Edward Vincent again, welcome back to the comments once more. He says, hold the dollars till the drop. Yes, keep that money on the sideline, but other people will do other things. Mr. Maui, no. He said Bitcoin, so we got to show it. When is Bitcoin going to stop raising up, then dumping over and over? Bitcoin, back to Bitcoin. I say it's going to, I think Bitcoin, I'm not saying tomorrow, but in the next few days, we'll hit 23. I'm not so certain about it this time. 23,000 or 24,000, then drop sharply from there. Your opinion, Max?
Yeah, I'm kind of with you on that. And then on top of what Ricky was saying, when is Bitcoin going to stop raising up and then dumping over and over? There's a few other factors in regards to this. Larry feels as though there's a lot of institutional money behind all of this for the reason behind this. I don't necessarily think that it's a lot of just day trading in that regard. I do think the more of the day trading is the retail investors who have maybe had this a long time ago, and the crazy times we live in, people need money, and unfortunately, people will sell their positions off because they're desperate and they need that money. Whether they made any money on this or not, they're dumping their positions. Or there's also some people that feel as though, you know what, I made, I don't know, 50 or $100 on this, and it just, you see these order books are reflective of what's going on with that. I don't like that, but it is a tradable asset. These things are going to happen.
Mr. Maui says, I have to laugh when I read this. Don't tell me this, Mr. Maui. Stop it. You're hurting me. You're hurting my feelings. Stop. Well, Mr. Maui, stop telling me that we've missed the bottom of the market. Please stop telling me it's not going to go back down because I'm getting depressed. Please stop it. That's going to say that I've missed out. Don't do that. I'm not FOMOing in. I'm telling you, I'm not doing it. I'm telling you the truth. Believe me, this is what your platform is all about, is building trust. Yes. Crypto Winter, please check Metis is a Bitcoin. I don't know what he means by that. Metis? Not sure. Edward Vincent is having gummies. He said doggy gummies. You sound just like Michael Cornwell with the gummies. Okay, so we better look at XRP. All right, he's saying it's going on a big run again. There it is. I've got it on the 4-hour chart right there.
Wow.
Yep. So
big green candle too.
Yeah.
Hey, how about you switch that to the 3-minute or the 1 minute?
There's the 3-minute. And here's the 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Still looks like more buy orders, which is good. Yeah, we had that big candle and so on, but a few sell-offs, but overall way more buys, so that's good. Looks like a little bit of FOMO though.
Yeah, for sure. But here's somebody new, I think. Alex Johnson. I can't tell if you're new or not. Help me out with changing your avatar so I can recognize you as a special person for this community. XRP is going up right now. Look at, you've got live control of the show because you said XRP. I put it up there. T Miller, somebody else that's new. Can you guys check out STORJ? I have not heard of that. Why is it pumping? Is that like a low cap? Why is it pumping so much today? T Miller, same thing. T Miller, that's kind of a common name. Please consider changing. Looks like you have an uppercase T. Change your avatar so I get to know you better. Alex, we are looking at XRP. Please look at XRP. We're looking at it. Mr. Maui, no, it's not the bottom yet, is what I meant. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I believe it now. So I did not miss it. Alex Johnson, XRP. You really like XRP. Crypto Winter. Metis token belongs to Ethereum's founders. Mom can't say the Russian name. I don't know about that one. Do you know? You want to check out that one, Max, while we're going on with the comments? You can. It's Metis token.
All right.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, I'll keep going. Recognize if you get some, just wave your hand and I'll put it up there. Alex Johnson, bro, XRP is the one. Pack your bags. All right, we're going to the moon. He says, pack your bags. We're going to the moon, guys, with XRP. That's what he said. If it doesn't happen, then get mad at him. Edward Vincent, yes, hold, no FOMO. Crypto Winter, why you think I said don't FOMO to the top? Yes, don't FOMO. I guess he's talking to the new people out there. Alex Johnson, because I'm just joking. Alex Johnson, XRP chart. It's there. I can't put it on anymore. It's there. It's already there. Tim Shea, dollar cost average. Edward Vincent, fool me once, Doge. Fool me twice, Doge. Alex Johnson, plus 13%. Yeah, no, it's pulled a little bit back. It's up 11%. Mr. Maui, is the truth. I'm always right. Even your partner says. Okay. Thank you for that. Crypto Winter, Metis, I made bank. Shot from 14 to 53, came back down to 17, and jumped back up to 35, all in 24 hours. Please look up Metis. Yes, he's on top of it now. He's looking it up. Mr. Maui, I won't guarantee you that on my life. Well, you bet your life. You better bet your life if you're that certain. Maui, you can buy it when it drops in the hour drop. All right. You can buy it. Oh boy, but the unfortunate part when you buy it like that, we need to get someone to read comments. All right, so Crypto Winter, I want one more coin to go bullish on a Metis. Looks good, guys. Okay, he's looking at it. I'm looking at my indicators, and if we break to the 1850, we're going to 15K or something. Okay. Is he talking about Ethereum? Okay. I'm not sure. All right, Mr. Maui. No, it's going to not drop sharp. It's going to go up. No, it's not. It's dropping sharp. I disagree. Bitcoin's not going to go up like you're saying. It's not because I missed out. It's going to crash to 12K. It's me, Max. I think I know what I'm talking about. I don't know who it is. Maybe it's a friend of yours. Tim Shea, pump it up. Mass adoption. Crypto Winter. Bro, check Metis. Yeah, he's checking it. What is Bitcoin? Okay, I don't get it. I'm lost. Yeah, Bitcoin is back on the chart. It is back. It's back. But you know what? He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it at 1 minute, so we changed it 4 hours because we're accommodating. He's gone fishing. Thank you so much. Very entertaining show, guys. Thank you. Please put your favorite fish story. Put a big fish in your avatar or something. That way I'll remember you even more. But right now, guys, do not bother him.
Thank you.
He's going
Appreciate
fishing.
That.
He's going fishing. He doesn't care about charts. He wants to go fishing. He'd rather fish. This Alex going to make me buy XRP. I guess so. He's a salesman for XRP. Crypto Winter. No, I'm talking about Bitcoin. It's up there. Oh, not okay. Mr. Maui, that's not what I meant. I meant the bottom is done. It's not going to go down anymore. You're driving me crazy. Stop. You're changing your mind. It's going down.
All right, let's hold on for a second. All right, so in regards to this Metis, if you guys are referring to Metis DAO, ticker symbol, obviously Metis, METIS, currently ranked 269th.
Can you share your screen, Max?
Sure.
All right.
Well, let me set the cookies real quick. All right.
Edward Vincent, you just tell me when you're ready. Mana is going up. Yeah, we have it. We talked about it. All right. Michael Cornwell, I'm about to eat my treat. Laugh out loud. He's going to have his gummies. Okay. There it is.
It.
Yep.
All right. You guys tell me, is this the one? About Ethereum layer 2 roll-up platform, decentralized apps, DAOs, NFTs, people, and so on? Because if this is the one, it is up about 11.5%, almost 12%. But a few key takeaways that I saw was this right here. Currently, it's about $19.50, roughly in that area. But the high wasn't that long ago. So check this out. The high was actually this year, back in January, went up to $314.86. Of course, it's dropped since then, but basically everything has dropped since then. I'll have to look more into this for myself.
He's giving you a message there, Max. Can you read it?
Hold on.
He's saying, yes, it's the right one.
The one.
He said it about 12 times.
Yeah, no. The only thing, I mean, I'll have to double check the. Well, I was on the screen. Sorry.
No, that's fine.
The only thing I need to double check is, 1 second, is basically, you know, like an audit, stuff like that. But I mean, if you guys think it's legit, how long have you been into it? I do see it's been around for a decent amount of time. I mean, it's, you know, September. You know, not to nitpick it too much, but I mean, the only issue I saw here, of course, was this right here. There wasn't enough liquidity that was locked. So have you been able to purchase this before? And if so, were you able to sell it? And if so, did you have any issues when you went to sell it? Those are the main things I'm looking at. But other than that, I want to look more into this. I mean, you got to, you know, for me, I got to research this more and so on. Sorry, it's like a bug. But, you know, it does seem very appealing in that regard. But, yeah, that's the way I look at it. So I'll look more into it, to say the least.
Bro, I've been killing it with Metis. Are you sure about this? Vitalik Buterin's mom owns this coin? Or are you just saying that? That's kind of funny. All right, so thank you for that. Let's see what else there is. Oh, look, the champ is here. Burn by Saitama. Love, again. We had, you know, our differences, but I still like your username, and I forgave you, and blah, 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 and you love Volt. Okay, the champ is back. Michael Cornwell, don't let emotions get to you in crypto. Are you really going to be mad when you're broke? Laugh out loud. The Jin. Green is the way of the future. Puff, puff, puff. Pass. Please don't be greedy. Crypto Winter. Vitalik Buterin. I have to laugh. He says Vitalik buttering. He's not. Stop with the butter. That was, you know what he's trying to do right there, Max? What is he doing? He says Vitalik buttering. What is he trying to do?
Butter slug my Inu.
He's trying to do butter slug Inu. It's a secret code, is what he's doing. No, we're not talking about that.
In reality, Vitalik Buterin's mom is actually very active in crypto. Seriously, she is.
No, she
really is. If you see her interviews, she's actually very active, and of course, very supportive of her son, and rightfully so. I mean, the guy is like basically became a billionaire at the age of like what, 24 or something like that. So
pretty young, yeah. Crypto Winter, yes. Isaac, welcome back. He always says it. Aloha, guys, and yes, I'm in Hawaii with Shibarium launch before you guys get more followers than me. Okay.
Okay, how many
followers
do you have?
Launch before you guys get more followers than me. Laugh out loud. I don't know. Maybe.
What are you trying to say, Isaac? We don't have much followers, huh?
August, September, maybe. Crypto Winter, yes. Crypto Winter, yes again. Michael Cornwell, I spend too much on crypto when I eat my goodies. Laugh out loud. Okay,
your
be
gummies.
Careful.
All your gummies. You and what's his name got to get together, and you got to have a gummy fiasco. You and Edward Vincent are going to have, you know, crypto gummy marathon or something.
I'm insulted. I'm insulted by you, Michael Cornwell. You're saying that we're not good enough to watch unless you're eating your gummies. You have to be under the influence because you can't tolerate us on any other way. Okay, so Burn by Saitama. Say it again with me. Burned by Saitama, as so many of you were. Don't wait too long to buy your Volt now. Buy it now and still give your honest opinion. I just want to see you guys and the dog ride the wave.
I'm riding with you.
He's saying, get on the wave.
I have a bag of Volt, you know, yeah.
But I have a question for you, Max.
Yeah.
Have you been volted?
I've been volted.
That's what they asked me that one time. But were you volted? Have you been volted? That's what they want to know. All right, Michael Cornwell. He's Cornwell. I think we're going to trade sideways until flare. You just love that flare. Until flare starts, but alt season will hit and miss. Oh, look at this. Oh, you know what? I want to say this name because it's a very pretty name. Crypto Winter. His mom's name is Natalia. Is that true? Are we fact checking Vitalik Buterin? Vitalik Buterin's mom's name is Natalia, correct?
Duh.
Natalia.
Natalia Buterin.
Thank you for that. Crypto Winter, crazy redhead, great after an all-night drinking party. Sorry, V. I'm not sure he's getting that there. Michael.
All right.
Too much information.
What? I didn't know that, huh?
Michael Cornwell, Larry will end up. I'm not going to. Don't do that to me. I'm not missing the bottom of the market. I'm timing it perfectly. Stop saying I'm going to FOMO in. I'm not going to buy Bitcoin at 30,000. I'm a buyer at 12. Until then, I'm not buying any of it. I don't care if it takes 10 years to get there. Edward Vincent, I'm not buying any more Bitcoin. Edward Vincent, fool me twice, Shib. No, first he's talking in code. First he said, fool me once, Doge. Fool me twice, Shib.
Depends on when you got in.
Tim Shea.
Shib did the best for me of all of them.
These guys, okay. He put the background up there because you guys are eating freaking gummies. He's messing with you.
All right,
I'm
so
not just trolling with you right now.
I'll answer that. So first of all, shout out to my girlfriend, Elaine. This is her favorite color, purple. And then on top of it, this is actually a historical location. This is Provence, France, southeastern France. There was a thing called Operation Dragoon. It was fought from August of 1944 to September of 1944, roughly 1 month between Allied forces and Nazi Germany. Ended up being a victory, of course, for the Allied forces. But nonetheless, it's beautiful countryside. And I'm a big fan of the scenery of southern France. I think there's too much focus, obviously, on Paris and whatnot. What's really beautiful is the French countryside, and particularly southern France. So hopefully you guys enjoy the scenery. There you go.
And also, in addition to that, it makes a perfect background if you're eating gummies like Michael Cornwell and everybody else. Tim Shea, Max. Okay, so you asked that. Okay, Edward Vincent, fool me 3 times. Hashtag burned by Saitama. First, he was fooled, he's saying, by Doge. Then he got fooled by Shib. Then he got fooled by Saitama. In fact, he got burned by it. Okay, Crypto Winter. Max, can you please put a picture of his mom? We're not going to put Vitalik Buterin's mom behind him. Can you please? What?
Hold on a second.
Request.
What? Can you please put a picture of his mom and let's do a hit or miss on Vitalik's mom?
That's just weird.
Oh my God.
This is a crypto show.
I mean, and if it's a hit, what am I supposed to do? Have a graph that consistently goes up? I mean, that's a weird innuendo in itself, right? Like this line. And if it's a miss, I don't even want to get into this. All right.
Wow. That's it.
I'll never look at his mom the same way ever again.
I got to change the subject. Go back to Bitcoin. It's getting to 21,114. Getting a little silly here, but we don't care. Here's somebody else. She's new to the show.
I just thought
she's new. She came here this afternoon. And welcome back to April. Thank you so much, April, for the $2 donation. She says, I am here. I'm new here. Keep the good vibes going. Yes, thank you for that. We saw you on the earlier show. Yeah, the 4:00 show. Thank you.
Thank you so much for super chat.
Okay. Where are we going here? So, okay. They're still teasing me about the 30,000 Bitcoin. Fool me. Okay. Crypto Winter. Max, can you please? Yeah, we already went to Isaac. Keep up the great work, guys. Get those bone bags up, guys. Yeah. We're thinking about it. Selmo Fudd, Crypto Talk Now. Welcome back. Burned by Saitama at Edward Vincent Howe. How are you burned? He wants to know by those 3, including Saitama. Michael Cornwell. Larry, don't say that, Michael Cornwell. Larry will FOMO in at 30K when it's too late. No, I won't. I'm not going to do it. It's going to crash. Michael Cornwell, then it'll drop to 12. Yeah.
That's a sad reality, though, for a lot of people, is the whole FOMO thing. I mean, it happens time and time again. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin. Doesn't matter if it's some of these altcoins and so on. I know that we saw, maybe it was, what's his name, Vincent. You said something like, fool me twice, Shib, fool me twice, Doge. But did you get in when it was already on all-time highs? I mean, that's where you get fooled. But we all have our reasons. For me personally, I mean, I'm always going to be a big fan of SHIB because I mean I got in like at a really good time and it did the very best for me. Anyway,
Oh,
back to you.
cool. Yeah, sorry, I was just checking something over on this other side here.
It's
All
all
right,
right. Do a
so
bunch of things at once.
yeah, sorry, I'm checking the screen. We had a little technical thing going over there. I had to check something. Okay, on my own. Yeah. So Telemax, Crypto Winter, Max keeping 100% with the gang. I did have problems on Metis today, crashing out when it hit 35. Once again, thank you, April, for the $2 donation. We're raising it a penny because of inflation, although the inflation rate is not as high on this show. Crypto Winter, no. Burned by Saitama. How do you feel about that Luffy news? I don't pay attention to Luffy. Do you, Max? Have you?
Yeah, I hold Luffy, and I'm not too impressed with it anymore, to be honest. But I do hold it. I have not seen the news in that regard. I'll have to look into it because it is part of my portfolio. Um, I'm of course rooting for it to do well, like anything in my portfolio to do well. But I have not seen the news in that. I of course will take a look into it.
Mr. Maui says, it's my wife's birthday, so I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for the talk and plus the show. Thank you so much, Mr. Maui, and a special happy birthday to your wife, and go spend some time with her.
Yes,
But
happy
thank
birthday
you.
to her, to Mrs.
We'll see
Maui.
Yeah, we'll see you again tomorrow. Crypto Winter, I came out wrong. Whether
Oh,
we
you know
should-
what? Hold on real quick. You know what people in Hawaii have for their birthday cake, Larry?
What?
Pineapple upside down cake.
Oh, I love pineapple upside down cake. I actually really did. That's one of my favorite cakes. Yes, thank you for that. Patches got rugged. He did, but guess what? He's back. Oh no, he left. Patches left the studio. He got bored and went to go have some more food or something. Crypto Winter, let me know about that problem on Metis, or why did you say be careful when pulling money out?
Oh, well, okay. Well, I'll share my screen again just real quick. Okay, this won't take long. So the reason for that is I want to share screen, Chrome tab. Here it is right here. Do you see that, Larry?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so everything.
Yep.
Yeah, everything looks fine, right? Not a honeypot, all this stuff. Adequate liquidity, ownership contract can't be changed. But then you get to this point right here. At least 95% liquidity is locked. No, it's not. Like, that's not cool. Not enough liquidity is locked burn, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed, like, for instance, a rug pull. Now, again, I realize it is token sniffer. You got to take it with a grain of salt. But this is alarming to me. I want to see or hear from the community if anybody has bought into this and was successfully able to do what? Get their money out, take profits off the top, and so on. So this is alarming to me. And then on top of it, you may have that too. Well, Max, well, why don't you just go to, the Metis DAO website, or, check out the contract and so on. I don't see anything like a CERTIC audit or anything like that. So that's the way I look at it. Again, this is part of what? Doing my own research. I'll look more into it. I do think it's a buying opportunity, but at the end of the day, I'm still more leaning towards investing into some of these projects that cost a lot less money wise, because I want to see my investment go
Like
as far as it can.
You mean by like lower market cap ones is what you're saying?
Not necessarily lower market cap. I mean, just the value of the actual coin token and so on, as in like the actual price. I mean, there could be ones that are low market cap that have a low price, and there also could be ones like, for instance, Harmony, for crying out loud. Harmony's ranked literally at the 100, right? So it's top 100, ranked 100, and it's at 2 cents, a little above 2 cents. That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing that so I can see the screen.
All right. There you go. Okay, the Jin. Welcome April to the chat show. We need more ladies in crypto. Yes. And guess what? Michael Cornwell has spread amongst his whole family. I'm not sure if this is his wife or someone. Definitely in relation to him. I'm guessing they have the same last name. Again, thank you, April Cornwell. I believe you changed your last name to trick us. We love Patches. Yes, we love Patches. Patches is a beautiful dog. He is your crypto family dog.
Holy cow.
What's that?
I didn't realize. Okay. You're Michael Cornwell's wife.
Maybe, or it could be his sister or his aunt.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
think it's his aunt, though. It could be his grandmother. Are you? No, I don't think it's his grandmother.
Well, whatever whatever your relation
Cousin?
is and so on. I think it's awesome that we have the Cornwells watching
Yes.
the show. Hats off to you guys. We appreciate you. You are very actively strong in our community. So everybody recognize them, appreciate them
Yes.
because you guys have
And
been absolutely great.
Please bring more ladies to the show because we want to be the #1 crypto talk show in terms of lady viewership. We need to get to 12% to accomplish that. So thank you so much. Edward Vincent, I had one. Here, okay, he's going to lay it all out for us. One, I had a lot of Doge before it popped. Had to get rid of it because I was poor. Sorry to hear that. Burned. Let's say it together with me. Burned by Saitama. Now they're going to hate me, but I'm just saying his username. Burned by Saitama. That's how I feel about Volt, Max. I got in the right time plus adding bags. Volt.
Hey, right on. You know what?
Future.
Here's the thing, all right, guys, and this goes for Burned by Saitama. I mean, his name. This goes for anything. One thing that stands out for Volt, I will say this. I'll give credit where credit's due in this regard. All of them are very passionate about the project for the most part, right? You don't really see a lot of FUD behind it and so on, but there is FUD that comes their way because let's face it, they are the next target, if you will, for FUD. The whole thing of FUD in Saitama, I guess, is getting old. And so now you see the FUDders, they're now targeting what? They're targeting Volt. But at the end of the day, when you see a member from the Volt community, they're always very passionate and so on. You should always be passionate about certain projects. And that's a good thing moving forward. I'm passionate, of course, about Shiba Inu. Why? Because it personally affected my life in a very positive way. I absolutely love it. You know,
But Max,
Doge did great for me as well, but I'm not passionate about Doge because
Max,
it doesn't have the utility yet.
But Max,
yeah. What?
One question. Have you been bolted yet?
Ah, jeez.
Tim, yes. Oh, Michael Cornwell, look at that. He says, my beautiful wife is here. I was just joking about grandmother. My beautiful wife is here. Now bringing up the female crypto viewers. Thank you.
You're right about that, my friend.
Clapping.
Hats off to you. You have a beautiful wife, and you're a lucky guy. And with that said, we're lucky to have you guys on the show and being active with our community and so on. Thank you for that. Glad to see your wife actually have an avatar on here. That way we can now identify her as Michael Cornwell's wife. So hats off to you, April Cornwell. And also Michael.
That's why Michael is not eating gummies tonight. He has to stay focused. Crypto Winter, the hit or miss on Vitalik's mom thing was talk to text.
Oh no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. Nothing's saving you from what you just did. We have exposed you. You've been exposed. Just like Vitalik Buterin's mom. Oh,
that's it. We're clipping it. We're going to send it to her on Twitter. We're sending that to the Vitalik Buterin's mom that you wanted to play a very disgusting game using her image and likeness. And
yes.
We're going to send it to her.
And we're going to Photoshop it. And we're going to make a thumbnail about it, how you want her to have an OnlyFans. Yeah.
And Patches, what are you doing? That's not very flattering.
Nothing is going to escape what you said, Crypto Winter. Nothing.
Patches, please lay down. I'm going to rug you, Patches. 2, I had a lot of SHIB.
Wow, that's a nice shot of Patches. My goodness. We went from Vitalik Buterin's mom to a money shot of Patches. Back to you, Larry.
Patches, you're killing me. Stop it. Sit down. Okay, Patches is a dog, so he can get away with it. 2, I had a lot of SHIB. Sadly, when it rocked, I was moving my coins from eToro to Coinbase. SHIB, your papers, please.
Oh, that's what happened. Yeah, Coinbase. Your papers, please.
Edward Vincent, again, he's venting to his crypto family. He hates these. He hates it. He hates Doge. He hates SHIB, and he hates Saitama. Here's number 3. Saitama, everyone knows. He doesn't even want to revisit it. He just says everyone knows how Saitama worked out. He gets too.
You know what? When it comes to Saitama, Saitama's theme song should literally be that Kenny Rogers song. Was it? I don't know the name of it, but
you got to know when to hold them.
Know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You know, literally, that's what happened. Like the time
you're right
to know when to run was before the Vegas event, and for those who did that, that was life-changing money for them.
Yep, I missed that one. Crypto should have sold off. Crypto Winter. Thank you, Max. I got a lot of respect for you. Larry, you're a bum. Go back to freaking Jersey, Larry. Wait, I'm by Jersey. Come here, my bum
That should
brother.
be our
Hey,
t-shirt.
come here.
That should be your t-shirt. We'll have some guy, like old school looking Brooklyn guy, like who remembers the Dodgers back in the 50s or something, and yelling out, "Go back to Jersey, you bum," and it'll say like Crypto Talk Now or something like that. That'd be great, right?
I'm coming for you. All right. The Grand Commission, Larry said that we will wait 3 years for Bitcoin. No, I didn't say that. For Bitcoin to drop 12K, but if Bitcoin doesn't fall in this bear market, 12K never will. Yes, it's true. So FOMO now, Larry. No, you guys are messing with me. Stop telling me that. Stop it. Oh, wait, let's blow the screen up so they can see the conviction. Oh, wait, we are blown up. All right. Well, Patch's back is there. He's in the way. No, look, I'm grateful for you guys. I am not foaming into Bitcoin at 30,000. What's it at right now? It's at 21,000, whatever it is. I'm not going to wait till 30,000 to buy some. I'm only a buyer of more Bitcoin at 12K. Let me make that clear. It's going there by the end of this year.
I'm going to interrupt you real quick. Guys, you're tuned in to Crypto Talk Now, the live show, the Max and Larry show. This is your show. For those who have never tuned into us, we want to go ahead and welcome you. Currently, we have a little over 120 to 130 people watching. We only have 33 likes. We should have way more likes. But nonetheless, we are talking about some of these hot topics. We just talked about Bone earlier in the show. Currently talking about Shiba Inu. We did talk a little bit about XRP. We will get onto the subject on Polygon in a bit, but I'd like to go ahead and thank you all and welcome you. Consider changing your avatar to something that represents you, like a hobby and so on. We'd like to know more about you. So back to you, Larry.
But Max, we also talked about Volt.
Yes, yes. I was listening what was on the title, my friend.
Yeah, I know. Crypto Winter. I know Max is tempting with the E 2.0 on all adoption potential with NFT is tempting. Mr. Maui, thank you and see you later. Thank you. Burned by Saitama. Hundreds, thousands. He's confusing me here with the comma placement. Hundreds and thousands and millions. 50 million. 50 million made through the bear market. Okay. I can't see very well. All right. So Crypto Winter, thank you, Max. You're always cool, calm, and collective. Unlike I love the raving guy over here with the Bitcoin hat, the guy that's going crazy every day. Yep, Max is cool, calm, and collective. Michael Cornwell, butter Nutella Inu.
Butter Nutella Inu. Anyway. Hey, look at Patches. He looks like he's literally sleeping on top of the coffee table.
Yeah, it's funny. It's weird. Well, that's a real coffee table, by the way. Crypto Winter. I told my ex-wife. Why are you telling your ex-wife stuff? I told my ex-wife to follow Larry's strategy into XRP. Are you trying to wreck your ex-wife? You're trying to make her. Johan's laughing. Are you trying to destroy your wife, your ex-wife, financially by following my non-financial advice? That's what he's saying. I can't even read this comment. I can't even read it. She's messing with me. I told my ex-wife to follow Larry's strategy into XRP. Wait and see. Wait. Okay. FOMO in now. Oh boy.
Maybe it's gonna be like Sam Kinison. Remember him, the comedian from the 80s? It's gonna be like Sam Kinison. He's gonna completely just destroy everything about his ex-wife. Anyway.
That's how you get back at your ex-wife, guys. Give them my non-financial advice. Burned by Saitama. Say it together with me. He was burned by Saitama, and now he's been vaulted to the moon because he loves Volt. Answer him, Max. Answer him. Tell him it's Volt. Tell him. Hold it. Diamond hand it. Ride the wave.
Hey, man, I hope it's Volt. I mean, I have a bag. I don't have the biggest bag compared to like some other projects, but I definitely have a bag. And then, I feel like I got a decent amount for the price that I came into it. I got in fairly early when it came to Volt, and I'm glad about that. So
you see, that's why the dev team at Volt won't hire us, because we're not passionate enough about Volt.
I'm not passionate enough about Volt. I like Volt.
We're not.
I'm rooting for Volt. I hold the Volt. I mean, what more do you want from me?
What I'm saying is we're a lot more passionate about it than the people that promote it, but they don't care. All right, Iron Lux Trader, smash the like button. Yes, thank you for that.
You want to see passion for me? You want to see passion from me? Get me talking about the rise and fall of first-person shooter games, not crypto related. But yeah, I'll get very passionate about that.
Crypto winter, please. Vitalik is going to freeze my ETH, dude. Edward Vincent, I love all my doggy coins. All love. Okay.
I got
Edward
quite a few of
Vincent,
those, but I'm not getting any more.
amen, brother. Burned by Saitama. Saitama theme song should be Usher, Let It Burn. Burn it
Lord.
down. Burned by Saitama. Saitama's theme song. He said it twice. Okay. Crypto winner, smash the like button, or Larry will throw the rock against the screen. It's actually a camera. Yeah, I'm already going to get a new camera. Maybe I'll just smash this one for everybody when I get the new one. I'm going to throw this rock. I'm going to get so mad. If you guys don't hit the like button, I'm going to smash it against the camera. There you go. Welcome back, UKX Stream. I haven't seen you in a few days. Ricky, whether we either get an immediate breakdown in the next 24 to 48 hours or a fake out above resistance in the next few days, in my opinion, either way, I don't think we escape this without another leg lower. That's a really, yeah, I actually would 16 to 17K. You might be right on that one. And also, it's not letting me share my screen because this software is horrible. Share screen. Here we go. Window. He said Bitcoin. Or that he did. He was alluding to Bitcoin, so we had to put it up there. You didn't put Bitcoin in there, but I knew what you were thinking. So Bitcoin is back on the screen. 21,000, a little over 21,000, 29 bucks. He's saying that we're going to break out in the next 24 to 48 hours, or it's going to be a fake out above resistance, in his opinion. And then it's going to go another leg lower. He's saying down to 16 or 17. Maybe. That could be it. But I don't think it's going to go 12 right away. Web3 is laughing like a clown. Welcome to Web3. I like the creativity of matching your avatar with your name. And apparently you love clowning around. So we appreciate you being here because it's all about having some fun. Cody Core, how much Volt do you have? I don't have you know what? I still have some V1. I never converted it because I was bored.
I can answer that if you want.
Yeah.
I can answer.
It's just a tiny bit, Dust.
I have 130 quadrillion, but that was when it was the V1. I haven't checked what it would be for the V2. So hopefully the answer.
Well, you need to because you're going to get volted. Let's see. Burned by Saitama. We care. Trust me, we do. No one cares. They don't care about us at Volt because they would look. Patches even look it up. They don't care about it. He's going to roll back over. He's low. They don't care about us at Volt. They don't because they would come here and sponsor the channel, but they won't. I don't know why. They don't care about us, but that's okay because we're sponsoring ourselves. Patches is sponsoring us. Faded Chip God 111. Elon Musk is real life. Doug Leon he keeps coming in here. He loves Doug Leon Mars. That's why I'm laughing. It's funny how I remember everybody. We both do. Me and Max remember these guys. He loves Doge Leon Mars. He's saying Doge Leon Mars in Gematria, if you can read that. It's with numbers, right? Michael Cornwell, that's his wife. April is his wife. Mrs. April Cornwell. Had to change my last name. I am wife. Yeah, she came in earlier with a different last name to throw us off. Edward Vincent. Overall, what are some of the best early projects to look into while the drop is happening? Non-financial advice, but just casual conversation topic. I tell you the ones that I'm looking at. Ones that haven't been created yet, but ones that potentially could be a pre-sale or something interesting that strikes my fancy. Something like related to the metaverse with strong utility and technology. I'm hoping to get more involved with the metaverse. Max, in terms of low cap token, what are you looking at? Are you looking at anything specific, or are you looking at metaverse plays, or are you just waiting for this market to cool off?
For me personally, it doesn't matter if it's low cap or high market cap. I'm basically looking at a combination of both. I'm mainly looking at the token value. I'm looking at the history behind it. I'm kind of staying away from a lot of new projects, to be honest with you, in that regard. But as far as my watch list is concerned, again, I'm really looking closely at Harmony One, because it's very appealing to me as far as being able to get a big position of it, or a big bag of the actual coins. I'm rooting for it to drop down to like a penny or less. My rule of thumb is I don't feel too bad when I throw, like, for instance, $300 into the project. That would get me, like 30,000 of the coins or more. That's something which is not going to make or break the bank, but that is a good amount for especially that particular project, which is Harmony One. When considering, for instance, that was up to about 38 cents as of the beginning of the year. So the way I look at it, that was not that long ago. If we get bullish momentum again, and I pick up 30,000 of these particular coins, basically I'm not gonna get rich over it, right? But the cool thing about it is 30,000 times, let's say for instance, this thing goes up to not all-time highs, but let's say for instance, it goes up to like 25 cents, that's 7,500 bucks. I mean, that's better than a kick in the butt, and if I can have quite a few different ones in my portfolio doing that, that's not too bad. Or let's say for instance, I don't do 300 bucks, I put in like 600, then basically that becomes 15 grand. You want to do things like that all day long when it comes to crypto. So that's just one example. There's other examples. Vet is another one. I always talk about Vet. I believe in Vet. I think it's got strong utility. Again, kind of like similar to Harmony One. It's sitting right at above 2 cents. I'm waiting for that one to crash to a penny. Going to do the same type of method when it comes to that. But again, these are the ones that are on my short list. But again, the main one where it's going to be life-changing money. Again, I just gave you an example of ones that are going to benefit me, but not make me necessarily rich. But it's definitely going to help. But again, the one that really stands out as far as life-changing money, we're talking generational wealth, for me is XRP. I have got to get a position in that. And of course, I'm just getting a little bit more greedy with that, waiting for the price. My target is 25 cents. That way I can get 4 XRP per dollar spent. So back to you, Larry.
I would say Volt if they paid me. All right, I'm moving on. I'm laughing at the comments here. I can't help it. The Cornwells are making me laugh. I'm going to get to your comments in a minute. UKX stream. Yeah, your streams run into, that's right, because you're over in
Well,
England.
that's why you need to check out the 3 p.m. Eastern show. That
Well,
way,
we changed it to 4, but yeah, 4 p.m.
Yeah, but
4
still,
p.m. Eastern. Yep.
that would be roughly, 9 or 10 o'clock at night for you. So
yeah.
yeah.
Check out the 4 p.m. UKX stream. Yeah, your streams run into the early morning hours for me, bro. Thank you for being here. Crypto Winter. If Bitcoin, we've got it already up there. If Bitcoin breaks into the 18.5, we would have lost the sideways movement that we have had for a week and hit the 15K. I put Larry's paycheck on that. Larry doesn't have a paycheck. Larry is just doing this. So that's it. I don't make any money. Like, this is like a loss because I believe in the long term. So there is no paychecks. You'd be basically putting zero unless you want to talk about the pennies we make from views, because we have no sponsor right now. Well, we will have one soon because we're just being picky. But yeah, there is nothing. You want to bet on zero? You can bet zero. I'll take your paycheck. Web3, Floki 2.0, clown-based coin. I knew you guys were back. The clowns are in the building. Give it up for, they didn't give us any money, but we like having it. We like having these guys because they're fun. The clown
That's not true.
coin.
Not true. They
What?
did give us some money.
Yeah, they gave us $2. I mean, right now
they
they gave us nothing.
They gave us a super chats a while back. So
yeah, $2. But right now I'm saying they didn't give us anything. But we're gonna give them a shout out. Floki 2.0, clown-based coin BSC. Clown-based coin BSC. It's a token. Doge 2.0, cat coin. There you go. There's your shout for zero money. It would be better if it was money. Okay, Iron Lux Trader. Bitcoin will not go below 20K anymore. Stop it. You're killing me. Stop saying that, guys. I don't want to miss this run. You guys are killing me. Stop with it's not going lower. It's going lower. Bitcoin is going to go below 20. Stop listening to the giraffes and the orangutans and every other avatar, the people that have, I don't even know what, stop signs as their avatars that have 1 million followers. Stop listening to them. Bitcoin is going to fall below 20 again. I say that before the end of this year. Do you agree, Max? You don't have to. Oh, no, he's going to crash it. We just found out that Johan is a Bitcoin whale. He said he's going to short. He's going to sell his position right now. He's going to crash. He's crashing Bitcoin right now, live on TV.
Yeah, it's I still think it's going to crash down to, possibly 12K. But,
Okay.
again, I could be wrong. It wouldn't be the first time I was wrong. I never said I
But
was the type of guy
okay.
I was right about everything.
But we're okay. So let's assume we're wrong about going that far, going down 12K. Will at least go below 20?
I don't know. I mean, it's hard to say.
Oh, it might not go below 20?
No, I was saying, sorry. I was looking at the other screen, so I was trying to fix
okay,
this
that's right.
darn share. It drives me nuts sometimes.
Patches is don't make this, do not make this token. Do not do this. Do not. You crazy developers that are watching this show, do not make Patches Red Rocket. Do not make that. We will not put not one penny, and we will tell everyone not to buy it. Do not make Patches Red Rocket. Stop it. You crazy people, Mr. and Mrs. Michael and April Cornwell, do not make that coin or token. Michael Cornwell. Patches is going to get his own blockchain, the Red Rocket. Red Rocket to the moon. Red Rocket. No, we're not having it. UK Extreme. Patches.
Hold on just a second. So, yes. Michael Cornwell, I did get your DM, and where it says you are here. And that is correct. I was basically at the very bottom of the, from that first all-time highs with SHIB. I can't bring that up right now, but hold on. Actually, I could do a share screen. You guys want to see where I was at with SHIB originally, since you brought it up? All right, I'm going to do a share screen real quick just to give you guys an idea. All right. Hold on. Here we go. You see that? Michael Cornwell made this up. So basically, I was right around here. And I had to literally wait about 5 months and then boom, all the way up to here. And I really did ride that sucker out. So yeah, he is right. I just want to point that out.
That's SHIB, right? I sold off a lot of my SHIB in October.
That was Shiba Inu. Now, what originally happened, and this is the thing that sucks about it. So, I got bit by the crypto bug basically late January of 2021 after it turned 300 into 22K with Doge. But I didn't know about the likes of like Uniswap and all these other ones. And I wanted to get into Shiba Inu, not where he says where you are here. It was literally before the first all-time highs. So I could have got for way cheaper. And that would have been like, that would have been amazing. But it just, again, it's one of those things like, I don't know what I'm doing at the point where you got to learn more about everything. Because, I mean, if you just came right straight from Robinhood into all this, it's like very intimidating, if you will, and I think it's the reality for a lot of people. So, yeah, that's basically what happened with me. I wish I would have been able to get into it like right around here. If you see my mouse, maybe you don't see my mouse, but yeah, it was before the first all-time highs. But yeah, that's basically what happened. So I'm gonna stop sharing. Thank you, Michael Como.
Iron Lux Trader. Oh my God, glad I dollar cost average Ethereum, Solana. I'm staying away from Solana. Matic is good. AMD, XRP, they're all doing extremely well. Not for long. It's gonna crash. But if you're day trading, that's different, I guess. Or you're just trying to lower your average. Cody Core, hey Max. Hey, you gotta say not like that. That's hey like a horse and a cow eats. You gotta say HEY. Hey Max, if you don't want your Volt, I know someone who would take them off your hands.
No, of course I still want them.
I don't want it anymore. So you have to pay me. So I'm not gonna talk about Volts. Iron Lux Trader, 1 ETH at 1K, 500 Matic at 0.40 cents. Sorry. 1200 XRP. Oh, he's got 1200 XRP at 29 cents. Okay.
Nice.
Got 1 Ethereum at 1K, 500 Matic at 40 cents, and 1200 XRP at 29 cents. Thank you.
That's why you're the Iron Lux Trader.
7 Solana at 30 bucks.
You want to know? I gotta tell you something real crazy. Real quick, Larry. So I was making a sandwich late one night, and I was walking around, and I was in my thoughts at what it's a true story. And you know how you're like so dramatic when you lean into, the mic and you do your spiel. Yeah. I literally said out loud as I'm like, putting the mayonnaise and the meat on the sandwich. And
I hate
literally was
mayonnaise.
whatever. Anyway,
Okay.
so my point was, I put all this stuff on, and I literally say out loud to myself, no one's around, but it's just, you know, you're in your thoughts, and I'm like, Iron Lux Trader, Moon Force General, like how you do it. And I
Yeah.
don't know why. Anyway,
How about this one? Coochie Boy. His childhood nickname. Put your hands together for Coochie Boy. Bitcoin will go below 20K next weekend. Laugh out loud. Yes, it's going below it.
Yeah.
Maybe this weekend. Iron Lux Trader. We have not seen XRP at 25 cents in over a year. Yeah, true. Crypto Winter. If Bitcoin goes to 10K, strap up the boots because World War III, I hear. He's hearing it coming. Edward Benson. He's got multicolored thumbs up. Michael Cornwell. I don't know if I can read this one. Dogeland Mars. Will you stop eating the gummies? Is Dogeland Mars really pumping, or he's just trying to get me to change off of Bitcoin? That's what he's doing.
Take a look, I guess.
I guess so.
All right. Well, I'll take a look.
Everything is pumping right now. Stop it. We're talking about Bitcoin. We're supposed to be like a mature.
Easy to look them up because their ticker symbol is Elon. Kind of. I mean, it's up 7%, but
this is a mature crypto investor channel. We talk about Bitcoin. We don't talk about these meme tokens. I'm just kidding, you guys. All right. Iron Lux Trader's laughing. Iron
Lux Trader. Moon Force General. I mean, that day you did it was something else.
Iron Lux Trader. Not financial advice. Edward Benson. His heart is clenching. You got to fix your emoji. Michael Cornwell. We need to put Dr. Phil on the screen to help Larry when he gets pissed. Nobody can help me when I get pissed.
I do a Dr. Phil impersonation. Unfortunately, I can only say one line, and I can't say it on the show because it's not appropriate. Sorry.
All right. Catch me outside. How about that?
It's worse. It's worse than that.
Edward Benson. It's crazy. With the SHIB chart, you basically described my pain. Web3. Where do you come up with it? You guys love these risky plays, I guess you could say. I'll be kind. Are you getting paid to throw these things in here? Johan said you're getting paid. We have a detection. We're detecting that you're trying to get us to promote stuff. Look, nobody can say it better than I can. No one can say it better than me. Put your hands together for Web3 and a shout out to Meta Billiards. I have no clue what that project is, but they should come over here and pay us for it.
How about this? Are you guys the ones that keep are you guys the ones that keep spamming our recorded videos with all that Web3 spark? Is that you?
We love you guys because you're helping the algorithm, but please pay us to promote stuff, because if not, I can't get excited enough. Okay, just kidding. Iron Lux Trader, yes. Ricky, I'm out. See you later, Ricky.
Bye, Felicia. No, I'm kidding.
Crypto Winter, yeah, but what would the show be without Larry being Larry? Yes. Dr. Phil can come on and talk to Larry about buying a stablecoin.
Here's the thing. I can only do one type of Dr. Phil impersonation, and unfortunately, it's a very inappropriate saying that he says. I'm not going to do it for the show. It's too risque.
Dr. Phil is going to come on here and say, we need to stabilize Larry. Larry, you need to buy some unstable stable coins. Crypto Winter. Put your hands together for Edward Benson. It was everybody. Smash the like button. Yes, right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Holy cow. Welcome back. Berry Nut Clam Chowder Crowder. So grateful you were here. But you got to be making a joke right here. Please stop talking about Phantom with a P. Please, for the love of patches, please stop talking about Phantom. Please stop it. Stop talking about Phantom. Phantom with a P. Are you really being?
Yeah, I'm not going to agree with that. I mean, I respectfully disagree with you. They have zero marketing.
Respectfully? Don't be respectful about it. Just disagree. It's stupid.
Well, in reality, at least he came here to make a comment. So in that regard, but I mean, come on. I mean, like Larry was saying, there's absolutely no marketing. It's a ghost town in their Telegram. How are they going to go on a run soon? You know, yeah, I don't know. I think the real Hexicans would probably avoid that and tell you to put more money into what Hex.
I know who this
Just
is.
throwing it away.
This is Pulse Chain Jack Clap. I think he changed his username. Maybe it's Pulse Chain Jack Clap. He usually does this joke. Hexagons have been playing whale games with Phantom.
I doubt it.
He's trolling Phantom is what he's doing. I love it. He's teasing us. Phantom is a prize jewel. Thank you for that laughter. XXI Gaming. Do you think the market is going to keep going up or will it fall? No, it has to crash and burn. It's going to go way down. It's going to go to hell so I can buy a bunch of stuff, like good stuff. It needs to burn right down to the ground, right, Max? But please, guys, don't lose money.
Right, like Disco Inferno. Burn, baby, burn.
Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to buy some coins, but I don't want to buy when it's going up. I think it's going back down. Michael Cornwell, I threw $500. Stop eating gummies.
You know, I mean, you know, strong community, a lot of holders. I mean, you know, anything's possible. But if anything's going to happen with Dogecoin Mars, it's going to be, in my opinion, when you see all-time highs for everything else. It's not going to be one of those breakout ones. I hate to be the bearer of bad news.
Iron Lux.
There's no utility.
Trader. Zero. No utility. Okay, thank you for that, Iron Lux Trader. Crypto Winter. Max, try to sell. He wants you to sell me a stable coin. Do your best sales pitch in the Dr. Phil voice about buying a stable.
It's not going to sound as good as the other.
Okay.
I want you to buy a stable coin. I mean, it doesn't sound as good as the line I normally do. I want you to buy. I just can't do it. It's not coming out right.
You know what happens? You know what happens if I buy a whole bunch of unstable stable coins and they unpeg from the dollar?
You're gonna hit that the soundboard.
Emotional damage. That's what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. Crypto Winter. I'll say Web3 2 times a day if you guys drop a bag on this one. Web3. Stop it. Stop. I'm not buying this stuff. I'm waiting. I'm buying top 100. I'm not buying the scrap. Oh my God. I can't look at WAGMI. They ignore me. They won't pay me either. They have to pay me. I'm not even going to look at the chart. I have an NFT. I sold it off because they won't pay me. They won't promote the show. They won't sponsor the show. If WAGMI, I will show the chart all day. I'll even wear a WAGMI shirt. I'll take my Bitcoin shirt off. I'll auction off I can't wear a WAGMI hat. I'll wear a WAGMI shirt, but they have to sponsor them. Until then, I'm not even looking at the chart. Sorry. Michael Cornwell. Dr. Phil will come on and let Larry know it's okay to enter at 30K and just give it all up. Give up all your money, Larry. Throw it away. Barry, not Clam Chowder Crowder. Do you think Phantom Project will hit 3 billion? Those guys are gone. They're living in Mexico, or maybe they're in Hawaii or Puerto Rico. They're gone with your money. They took the $3 million. It's gone.
Hawaii is still a state. I mean, why would they be in Hawaii? It's a state.
Huh?
Why would they go to Hawaii? That's a state.
They're on vacation.
It's still in the United States.
Well, they're not running that hard, I guess. Coochie Boy. Can Solana bring the retail traders back into the crypto space with the Web3 cell phone? No. I read the article about that. No, I'm sorry. They need to stop stopping their blockchains. I don't know, but if you saw, they're coming out with their own Web3 cell phone.
Web3 cell phone.
Huh. Yeah, you can look it up. I saw it yesterday. There was an article about it. Crypto Winter. Smash with hammer. Smash your phone 3 times. Throw your phone across the room. I don't even care. I've done that several times. Broken phones when I get really mad. Iron Lux Trader is laughing. He's laughing so hard. Tim Shea, you sounded like the...
Yeah, I just realized that when I was doing it too. I was like, I don't sound like Dr. Phil. I sound like, what's his name from King of the Hill? Like, Larry, I want you to blankety blank with a you know what. I'm not going to say it. I'm not going to do it.
Okay. Don't do it. It's a family show. Patches are going to get embarrassed. Michael Cornwell, utility, smut-tility. It's still, he's really eating a lot of gummies tonight. It's still more stable than an unstable coin. That's not 1 for 1, laugh out loud. It's not. Don't buy any unstable stable coins. We got the shirts coming. We were maybe start giving some of them away and maybe
Web3 Phantom Prince I want you to have blankety blank with a Phantom Prince.
Stop with the Phantom with the P. Edward Vincent. I had no idea about WAGMI. My bad. I hate WAGMI. Oh, now he hates it. I hate WAGMI a bit more now, too. Okay, thank you. Tell them to come here. They can come here and talk about WAGMI if they want, but they have to pay us. Coochie Boy. My bearish Bitcoin levels are 15K, 13K, 9K, and then 7K. Depends on how aggressive the SEC is with Binance. Interesting. The elephant in the room. Hope it doesn't happen. I'm going to put the devil horns on right now. You see that? Because I'm being evil. I want it to burn to the ground so I can buy more. Sorry about that. Hope nobody loses any money. Crypto Winter. Michael Cornwell. Love the burn. Iron Lux Trader fan.
See, that's what replays in my head. I'll go make a sandwich.
God.
Yes,
I'll
go.
I'm going to throw this rock against the camera. If I see one more comment about Phantom with a P, I'm taking this rock and I'm smashing the camera. I ordered a new camera today. I'm going to smash it. We won't have a show anymore. Sorry, what were you saying?
All I'm trying to say is that's what I'm talking about. I will go make a sandwich at some random time, and what we're replacing in my head for some reason is you literally saying Iron Lux Trader, Moon Force General. It's like, why does that
Cool Cat Crypto? Yeah.
For some reason, you know, certain songs replay in people's heads. Nope, not with me. It's literally Larry repeating Iron Lux Trader, Moon Force General. Like, I haven't seen Moon Force General in a while, but anyway.
You guys remember you guys remember Plan B? He comes out with his fairy suit on and he drops pixie dust on everybody. He says, guess what, guys? Hocus pocus. Bitcoin is going to 100K. Well, guess what? I'm going to FUD Bitcoin right now. I'm the look, I'm the Bitcoin devil. It's going to 12K. Pack your bags. We're going to the basement. There you go, so I can buy some more. Okay, and the rest of the market too. I want XRP. Edward Vincent. Is it cool to look at either Kuma? Oh my God. Stop it. Stop with the Mononoke crap, Inu. I feel like taking a dump right now. Should we put it up on there?
Whatever happened to that surprise AMA that we're supposed to have with one of these projects?
Oh yeah, we need to do that. You know, we're gonna do one next week with somebody that won't normally don't come on. Is it cool to either look at Kuma or Mononoke? I still actually have some Kuma. Did you ever get some Kuma, Max? Were you a victim
I don't even know what Kuma is.
Were you a victim of Kuma?
I don't know what Kuma is. I know what Mononoke
Kuma
is.
Inu, you're a victim. No?
I don't know what Kuma is, to be honest.
Never
heard of it.
Well, you weren't a victim then. I'm part of the victims of Kuma Inu, all this crap. Mononoke Inu, Shiro Inu, whatever else was there. What are the other ones? Oh, Pochi Inu. I don't even know. Scam Coin Inu. Just insert here the name. I'm eager to hear y'all's take on my other sick pups. All right. We're getting silly again. Raphael. Oh, welcome back. Raphael Santos. Good day, Sir Larry and Sir Maximus. I threw the sir in there to be kind. I just tuned in. I'll watch your video later. Thank you. I think he got disgusted.
Raphael, always good seeing you.
He didn't get disgusted. He can't watch it for some reason. He's going to watch it rest later. Barry, not Clam Chowder Crowder. I was told they're going to keep going all night. They want us to be silly. They don't want it to be a crypto show anymore. I was told Phantom Project would hit $1 billion market cap. Now I realize it's worth nothing. Yes, I'm sorry. You're a victim. Join the crowd. Crypto Winter. It was supposed to say smash the like button. Crypto Winter. Can we compare XRP and Bitcoin to see if they're doing the same thing? Yes. It was a signal. Bitcoin is at 21,275. It is up 4% on the day. And XRP is doing better, I bet. Yep. XRP is up 12% on the day to 36 cents. So XRP is moving. Maybe the altcoins are going to start to run before the crash, and it's going to crash and burn to the ground so I can get some of what I want because I haven't gotten it yet. Michael Cornwell, people are dumb. I had a guy tell me he was going to wait till Bitcoin gets back to 60K before he gets in. What? That's just stupid. Was that you know what? That was the CEO of Coinbase, wasn't it, that said that? He's going to wait for Bitcoin because he was stupid the other day. The CEO, right, of Coinbase is stupid. The guy washing the toilet, don't keep your mouth shut, CEO of Coinbase, whatever the hell his name is, I don't care. But he apparently came out and said, if we go bankrupt, we're not paying back the people that are invested on our platform, which was really stupid. I think oh no, Max is there. I thought you were frozen.
No, I'm not frozen.
You're just bewildered.
I'm just, yeah, there you go.
He's bewildered about Cody Core. Again, they want me to smash this camera, but I'm grateful for you guys. He says Phantom, laugh out loud with a P. Oh, boy. This has got to be a joke. I heard sweaty. You can read this one, Max. I can't read it.
I heard sweaty meat coin might moon. Wow. Yeah. That's something else.
That can't be real. And if it is, I'm not investing in it.
All right. How about this? Since we're on the topic of Bitcoin, let's get more serious here.
Okay.
I remember my 7th grade teacher, Mr. Schneider, worst teacher I ever had in my life. And I'm also a fellow teacher, and I wouldn't say that lightly. But at the end of the day, he used to have the saying to kind of get the class back together, and he would always say, class, let's get settled here. So with that said, let's get settled.
How can we?
What I was going to say is basically it's like this, right? You know, we're all talking about Bitcoin. We're all wondering if, you know, what rock bottom is. Some people say 12K. Some people say 20K. You know, you got to realize at the end of the day, it's like, you know, statistically speaking, we have seen, you know, these type of things happen at the end of 2015. And then also there was a bear market of 2018. You know, basically in January 2015, Bitcoin crashed to 170 bucks. A year later, it went up to 170% from that, you know, that point. Listen, that's 2 years later, it's up more than 500%. 3 years later after that, it's up more than 10,000%. So if you guys are wondering just what the heck are you going to do as far as, you know, trying to find rock bottom for Bitcoin and where it's going to go after that, well, you got to, you know, just when in doubt, zoom out. And on top of that, you know, the way I'm looking at it right now is I'm just looking at some of these old charts of like history behind the realized price of actual Bitcoin. And, you know, how do you guys feel about it? Do you feel as though that history will repeat itself in some of these percentages? Because, I mean, I'm looking at it right now, and, you know, to go up basically, what was it, the last bear market of 2018, and then it went up basically it states 150% from the last true bear market for Bitcoin. So if let's say, for instance, rock bottom ends up being 20K, it levels off at 20K. I know we said 12, but let's just say hypothetically speaking, if it levels off at 20K, I'm busting out my calculator here. You know, 20,000 times 150% equals, well, you know, that's pretty huge. That's going to add, it's basically going to mean Bitcoin will, you know, have an average of 50K moving further. A lot of people feel as though it's going to be a lot higher than that. But, you know, to go from 20K to 50 or to, you know, a total of 50K, it's nothing to bat an eye out. If you actually entered in at that position, you more than 2x'd. Heck, you did you know, significantly better than that. So how do you guys feel about it? Will history repeat itself from 2018? And if so, do you feel as though it's going to be more than 170% in the gains? Or I'm sorry, 150%. And if so, comment. Let me know. Do you feel like it's just going to be right around those levels, or is this going to be the biggest bullish momentum we've ever seen? So back to you, Larry.
Web3, Dextown Gem. Thank me later. Here's the answer for you, Tim Shea. When are we calling in? So we have a little bit of a delay. We're going to change something with the format, and we still have to get our software going, but we are right now overloaded with this server. So we're going to look to make a change, and we're a little delayed. So hopefully by next week, I think next week you guys will be calling in the show. Some of you will, because it's going to be limited access, and we'll get into that another time. Legrand Commission. Larry, can you pull up the chart for Larry FOMO Inu? Crypto Winter. Plan B is getting sued by Vitalik, my stepson at this point. Okay. Coochie Boy. Let's talk about the real meme coin. Baby Doge. Yeah, I like Baby Doge. It's truly a good meme coin because it's a feel-good story with no utility. Guys, I'm laughing so much. Me too, Edward Vincent. We're trying to calm down here. Try to make it serious. Tim Shea, I have $1.41. I have $1.41. You can't even buy a McDonald's fry for that of Kuma Inu left in my wallet. Dextown, thank me later. Coochie boy. Thinking Baby Doge will print the next round of millionaires. Depends on when you got in. Look at Bitcoin low in 2020. Edward Vincent, on a serious note, even though we are not at rock bottom, he said rock, so I got to hold up the rock. It may be the worst idea to dollar cost average in Bitcoin and whatnot. Crypto winter. We're going to wrap it up here soon, guys. I'm just going to read a couple more comments. We've been going a long time. Every 4 years, we go through this wash cycle that is healthy for the crypto ecosystem because every time the wash cycle comes in at the end, it rinses out all the bad managed coins and business scams. Web3, Bitcoin will run end of year, new all-time high. No way. I disagree with that. It's not going to hit an all-time high this year. Sorry, Charlie. Not going to do that this year. Last year, the all-time high was like 69K. It's not going to pass 69K. No way. Crypto winter. I got in to Bitcoin at 19K. Cool. Well, dollar cost average down. Iron Lux Trader, you will not become a millionaire with those meme tokens. Thank you. All right. Well, I'm skipping that comment there. It's just weird. All right. Ricky, all my money is in crypto. Please, something rise up. I'm hungry. Iron Lux Trader, you will make the developers more millions. Yeah, he's talking about meme tokens. Block, Web3. Wow. Web3, we reached the bottom sometimes in August. All right. Well, that's it. I think we need to wrap this show up. It's been going long enough. We're tired. Max is tired, I think. Patches is already sleeping.
I'm okay.
So I want to thank you guys so very much. We're grateful for you guys. We'll see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. And this show will be again at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will see you. Take care.
Take care, everybody. Have a good night.